Ever wondered how to turn a simple product photo into a high-end social media post using AI and Photoshop? Let me show you my exact workflow. First, this is my raw product image. No edits, no background changes, just a basic photo straight from the camera. Next, I go to Google Gemini. I upload the raw product image directly into Gemini. Now I copy my prompt, switch to Create Image, and make sure the Pro option is selected for better quality. I paste the prompt and submit it. Now we wait a few seconds while the AI generates the image. Once the image is ready, I download the final result. I drag and drop the image into Adobe Photoshop or Photoshop Beta. Using the Spot Healing Brush tool, I remove the Gemini watermark cleanly. Then I copy the image and press Ctrl plus Shift plus A to open the Camera Raw filter. Here I enhance lighting, colors, contrast, and sharpness to make the image pop. And that's it. From a raw product image to a professional social media post using AI and Photoshop. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe, and comment if you want the prompt I used.